What's up guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken fried steak. For this recipe we are using 2 pounds of topped sirloin steak. Tenderize the steak by fierce pounding the steak with a meat tenderizer. Make sure to pound the steak on both sides. Season the steak with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste and do this on both sides. In a mixing bowl, add in 2 cups of whole milk and 2 large eggs. Mix to combine the eggs and the whole milk. In a shallow container, add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Whisk until evenly incorporated. Now dredge the steak in the seasoned flour. Then soak into the milk and egg mixture. Then transfer back to the seasoned flour and coat evenly. Set it aside and repeat the same steps with the remaining pieces. Now, over medium-high heat, in a cast iron skillet, add in about 1 inch of vegetable oil. Heat up the oil until it reaches 350 degrees. Then fry for about 6 minutes, 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown. I know some people who may not be familiar with chicken fried steak are wondering, but where is the chicken? Surprise, surprise, there is no chicken in chicken fried steak. It's called chicken fried steak because the breading resembles fried chicken. That's where the name comes from. Fry them in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. Transfer onto a wire rack to keep them nice and crispy. To make the gravy, remove most of the oil from the skillet. Over medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. After the butter has melted, add in 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Begin stirring the flour in, then add in 2 cups of whole milk. Season with seasoned salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Whisk and simmer until you get it to the right consistency that you want. If you want it thicker, add more flour. If you want it lighter, add more milk. Chicken fried steak is usually served with mashed potatoes and green beans. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, chicken fried steak. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.